What's good, guys? Back again with another video. Like I said this morning, life is great. Slowly getting customers coming in slowly. People stopping and asking for service. So I'm going to pick up a customer's car. You know, he said it's losing power, so I gotta bring it back to my house and diagnose everything and see what's the issue with it losing power. I think he said it's a 99 Accord, so you can check simple stuff, spark plugs, little stuff here and there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now, go on my son, and then go ahead and pick up the car, and then we're gonna go Panda Express and get some food quick. All right, guys, we get the car and the trailer, so now we're gonna go ahead and get it strapped down. So there we go. All right, guys, car is all strapped down and secured and ready to go. One flat tire there, we'll get that air for him. So yeah, ready to hit the road. All right, guys, we made it safely to the house. Yeah, so far I'm happy with the trailer. Been doing good effort since I finished the trailer. One thing I gotta do is inspect the welds and stuff, make sure you got no cracks, but so far it's been doing good. Car reached safely, still strapped, but yeah, after I eat with my son, then I'll start diagnosing the vehicle. And it's a V6, so might be spark plugs or something simple. So let's get it. Basically gonna check the spark plugs in this vehicle here. So yeah, I'm doing it on the trailer. That I have to take it off, right now. It's broken. They glued it. It's got there. So I don't know if it's a smaller one here, but you can see here that's oil already. Man, look at that. Lord. And that one's loose. just by the front of the, you know, the look of the spark plug in the front, you can tell they need a change. And take a picture for the customer. So you do need spark plugs and valve cover seal replacement. See right there? You guys can see the seal squeeze out, meaning whoever installed it um, probably damaged the seal. So he needs a valve cover seal gasket replacement. So yeah, we'll let the customer know. Take a picture of that. The oil leaking down there. But yeah, I can get that done for him. You know, if he wants it done. But yeah, disconnect all of this. That way, battery don't die. I don't know if the battery dies. We'll see. You can tell, you know, it's burnt out. See the exhaust coming through there, so he needs new spark plugs. He's missing the bracket that holds the radiator, so any point in time this thing can drop down and, you know, mess up the, you know, what do you call it, anything below, or the radiator can be punctured or something. But yeah, I need to take pictures of this. That way he can get the brackets that go here or go junkyard and get two. So one there and one here. So I'm gonna have to let him know.